Okay, so we got our thingamajiggy Python 3 lock and mag.py file running. So it says, please enter a 0 or a 1 for action. We're going to enter 1, and we're going to see what happens. Let's go over to our thingamajiggy. That's our solenoid locking our latch and disengaging the latch. And there is the motorcade. You can see the LED turn on. And some nice barrel jack action with the USB, micro USB, and some LEDs. Alright, there we go. That's it. Kumbaya.